Welcome back. Well, a nice one out there today. Plenty of high clouds, but some sun through those high clouds, and those clouds are thinning as we speak. So a nice little sunset probably on tap for Acadiana, but wanted to bring you up to date on the drought status. So let's get over to the key wall. And even though this is dated yesterday, this is this drought status from a week ago. So we can compare and contrast where we were and what has occurred since the recent rainfall. And again, you can see portions of Louisiana still in an exceptional drought situation, extreme southeast Louisiana and then Cenla. But then you go to today and notice we kind of leveled down on all the different levels of drought. So back it up to yesterday and then watch how this area changes colors. Now severe to extreme drought still across central Louisiana where we could use more rain, and it is improved over southeast Louisiana. Much of Acadiana still dry to maybe a moderate drought, but we have another inch or two of rain on the way this weekend, so we're catching up and continue to put dents in the big drought that developed all last summer with that high heat. It's been taking us a while to dig out of it, and the future is still looking bright with more weather systems to come down the line. Here's the big one, the big whopper here off the west coast. This is producing rain, flooding rainfall, big snows on the order of a couple of feet in the higher elevations all the way through the Colorado Rockies and points to the east. So the energy with this system, this is going to be meeting up with us as we head into Saturday. Meanwhile, high pressure now off to the east means southerly winds across the area, and those south winds will continue. Notice how the clouds clear out. So temperatures tonight will be a degree or two cooler than last night. Will favor mid to upper 40s. And then tomorrow, spring-like day with temperatures topping out in the lower 70s. We could go for even more, but we're going to have a southerly wind coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, and that's also bears out the water temperatures, the shelf water temperatures near the coast. We'll talk more about that coming up on Acadiana's news channel tonight at 10. Meanwhile, as we head into Friday evening, crude to Kenai looking good, just some cloud cover, temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s. And then as we head into Saturday morning, we'll probably see some showers developing prior to daybreak, but the big action coming in from mid-morning through the afternoon hours. And the graph model, which tends to be fast, wants to dry us out in time for the Rio parade. So we'll see how that plays out. And then as we move forward into Sunday, we'll have some lingering cloud cover, but not a bad looking Sunday. Contrast that with the Euro model. The Euro a little bit more pessimistic with the rainfall, locally heavy downpours from time to time, especially mid to late afternoon. And then kind of pushing off to the east, the rain may be ending during the evening hours. So we're still not married to exactly the timing of the rainfall, but we're pretty much thinking it's going to be 1 inch to 2 inches for most. Here's the graph model, which sometimes is overly aggressive and is generally between 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches for most spots. And compare and contrast that with the Euro model, pretty much much the same, showing about 1 to 2 inches of rain accumulating with the rainfall on Saturday. So as we move toward our temperatures overnight tonight, mid to upper 40s for most, and then tomorrow, spring-like indeed. False spring, though. It's going to be mild through the 10-day forecast, but don't buy that we're not going to see temperatures in the 30s again at some point, especially later February, maybe into the first week or so of March. Temperatures for tomorrow evening right around 60 for parade time, and then as we head through Saturday morning, mid to upper 50s, and then Saturday afternoon we're going to hold in the lower to mid 60s, a chilly low to mid 60s with the rainfall in the area. So overnight tonight, 49 is going to be your low, seasonably cool, the clouds thinning out as we head through the overnight hours. Light south to southeast winds at 1 to 4, occasionally near calm. Maybe some patchy fog by daybreak as well. Then for tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny sky. It's going to be a beautiful day, certainly almost spring-like across the area. Fine way to finish out the week. The weekend, though, well, a lot left to be desired for Saturday. Now, it's not going to be raining continuous Saturday, on and off rainfall. Sunday, Monday look better, lingering clouds. Much of next week quiet, but unfortunately, as we head into the big Mardi Gras weekend, we could see some pretty decent rain chances developing sometime between Saturday and Fat Tuesday, and maybe multiple days, but we'll have to wait and see on that. Still too far out for us to speculate, but it will be mild into next weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.